On the front right here, this is my front brake. That is going to be the most stopping power on the bike. However, it gets a little tricky because it's also my steering. So if I were to brake while steering, my bike wants to go into the floor. We don't want to do that. So you want to make sure that you're braking while straight for the most part. Anything beyond that, it's going to be a more advanced technique we're not covering right here today. Now, on the right foot right here, I got a pedal, just like in a car. And that's my rear brake. Now this brake is obviously braking the power wheel. So if I'm applying gas at the same time I'm applying brake, it's not going to be the most effective thing in the world. What we're going to want to do is combine the two. So kind of come in on both for the most part. And then when I'm coming down to a slow stop, I'll usually rest my foot right there. So that way I don't move.